Hello children. Now today we will discuss about the question answers of chapter 2, that is parallels and meridians. Here is a question. Write short notes on the following. First one is globe. A globe is a round model of the earth. It shows the shape, size and location of the continents and water bodies, and also helps us to understand the earth's movement on its axis and around the sun. Second is northern hemisphere. The part of the earth from the equator to the north pole is called the northern hemisphere. There are 90 parallels of latitudes in the northern hemisphere drawn at an interval of 1 degree. Third one is your southern hemisphere. The other part of the earth from the equator to the south pole is called the southern hemisphere. There are also 90 parallels of latitudes in the southern hemisphere drawn at an interval of 1 degree. Then comes your prime meridian. Prime meridian passes through Greenwich and is also known as the Greenwich meridian. It is the starting point for numbering the meridians, that is from 0 to 180 degree. It is marked as 0 degree. Prime meridian is marked as 0 degree. It divides the earth into two halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Now the next question is answer the following question. First one is define latitudes. The full circles that run from east to west are called parallels of latitudes. There are 181 lines of latitudes. These lines are at an equal distance from each other. Then comes your longitudes. You have to define longitudes. Meridians of longitudes are the imaginary lines of the same length that run from north to south. The maximum distance between any two meridians is at the equator. Then another question is draw a diagram and label to show the important parallels of latitudes. So this is the diagram. You have to practice it. Practice it as many times as you are able to draw it in your own, that is without looking it. So in the northern hemisphere there lies Arctic Circle, that is of 66.5 degree north, and Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. Then come in the middle of the earth is the equator. Then in the southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, and lies the Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south. Now other question is write 4 facts about lines of longitude. 4 facts about lines of longitude are: all lines of longitudes are of same length. Longitudes cut the latitudes at right angle, that is 90 degree. The maximum distance between any two longitude is at equator. And the last one is there are 360 lines of longitudes. The last question is what is a grid and how does it help us to find the position of a place? So answer to fourth question is the parallels or lines of latitude and meridians or lines of longitudes form a network on the globe, which is called a grid. It helps us to find the position of a place at the point at which a latitude and longitude meet. So these are the question answers, children. You have to write in your fair copies and learn them by heart. Thank you.